Hello, Anthony. I'm going to try to get a grade change in for you, and so I realize that you got these in late. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, here's some video feedback for you. Your submission looks pretty complete here. I see that you have two different CSSs. I'm thinking that the reason why your images are not showing up is because you've got them nested in these folders, resources. Watch your spelling. I don't think that was intentional. Anyway, when I open this document up, I see that you've got two URLs, website link and then a GeoCities link. We'll see how it goes. So, Anthony, when I go to, well, let's see what you've got here. You've got, well, when I go to this, I guess is I see a lot of good things about it. First of all, I see that you have a navigation kind of working, and it, like for example, it's missing here on this page, probably some link to the CSS. You've got two CSS, one for the, I think the rollover of the navigation bar, and one for the page, the grid you're calling it. I see that you've got child pages. That's not working terribly well, but here's the good news, is you have an effective navigation. I like the rollover covers, the rollover effects, and it's just a question of, being able to import your images. I think the error is in your file paths. For example, this particular image is probably going to be, let's see where it is. Okay, another problem I see is that, okay, here's your navigation. All right, I would expect a folder or a directory called images on your server. And so when I go back here, I would expect there to be a folder probably here. And I don't see it. So maybe you've got it working on your desktop for that address, this address here, but not on the GeoCities server. Let me take a look at the other URL that you submitted. Whoops. So when I go here, FM, I'm not sure what that is. Let's see. It looks like, no. Not sure what's going on here, but this is obviously the better address. So you've got a domain name, Anthony Arnold. Don't use word spaces, in your file naming. Anthony, I'm glad you got this in. This is your final statement here, or your reflective statement. And, sometimes people don't even turn it in, but even though it's late, I'll see if I can get you credit for it. What can I say? Just keep studying. Remember that CSS is for style and HTML is for content, pretty much. And your idea is to separate the two. You've got the idea that a style sheet makes it easy to change specific sections of an HTML page. All right, well, I wish you the very best, and our paths may cross again if I can't get this, your grade to be changed.